Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me as usual is my husband Marcel. Now today we are in Webb, Coleyville in Manchester, and we're here to speak with a gentleman, and you'll see that in a little while. But please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be notified. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so everyone, this gentleman, we're taking a truck to his home, and we're not too familiar with this area, but hopefully we will find him based on the direction that was given. Oh, this is nice. Yes, this is somebody's sweet pepper farm. It's looking beautiful. Oh. Really? Let me work on that. Oh Lord. Oh. Let me just check the other one, so I have to do this again. All right. But look on this. Oh, me go down this now, Marcel. This is like a runoff type of hill. I thought me further, but me and you can run off one time. You go on first, Marcel. Shamel, you hold on.
Come, run on.
Alright, you jump off. Oh! So wait a minute. Oh, you go come. Come. Come on, don't be a baby. Shamel. Hurry up now, girl.
Come,
no, you can't walk there. Come right here and jump down like when we do.
You got now, you home house.
Shall
come now.
Shamel, just step here and come. We don't have all day. Hurry up. Like seriously?
Oh God, no.
Well, put your foot here. Follow instruction. Come now. Boy, right now you feel like a easy me a deal with that. Come now, step now. Step down now. See if you can jump down.
Well on.
Lord help me. No, sir. You should be helping me. Marcel, I wonder if we're on the right track.
Just follow noise.
Lord help us. Wow. But me here talking though, it could look like a more farmland.
Yeah. I'll go down there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, some houses up top, man. Yeah, I may see several houses. See one there, and two unfinished or abandoned houses over here. One up top. Look like somebody living there.
One down here, sir.
Where?
Right on behind it.
Oh. Well, I hope that's the one where I go. Then I have to climb up, go all the way up there. This one did tell me it abandoned, man. Nobody no live there.
People that move up, man.
Lord have mercy. Wow.
If rain fall, I can't come over.
You know, I was just thinking the same thing. It would be hard.
Come out for one step.
Up at that house. We have to really look back.
Yeah, look where.
We just want to.
Up the side, I don't see road this one. Up the side, see him. You want to come down there?
Oh, okay. Oh, Lord. It's a good thing I never had any idea how far it is.
You have a turn, man?
No, me think me that actually tired before me reach. Because
Let's say where's on your roost?
web.
Oh,
Wow. Hi, David. Hi, David. Good morning. You live far, man.
you're not far. I think you're not used to it.
Mm.
Yeah, I think you're not used to it. So.
Oh. So this is where you live?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so where are we gonna go? You lead the way. Alright, everyone, so this is David, and we're gonna be talking to you today because we want to share a story, right?
Yes.
So where are we gonna go? Where do you want to?
We can come on the veranda.
Okay.
Yeah. So David coming to the road.
In China, you know, you can't run.
Alright, puppy. Run by yourself, puppy.
Lord have mercy.
Watch out.
You sure ain't I good?
In China, go can't bus.
Alright guys, so we are here this morning with David Robinson. You would have called us David.
Yes.
So, you know, just go ahead and share your story.
My story, what I'm sharing, and the reason why I call you, I need a little help. I make a financial, run one little business, and fi sell like ice cream, and help myself. Can financially, me out there shooting the chally, making a little 10 cents, and it's not enough for me. When me can financial myself certain way because it's struggle out there if you buy like a food.
Alright, so what you're saying, what you do daily for a living is to push the hand cards?
Push the hand card.
Okay, and that is struggling. Tell us about it. What is struggling about it? Just explain so we can have an understanding.
Well, the struggle about it, me should be in the sun, and the sun burning me, and you know, and then we should be and give me $50, and give me $100, and me have to take it, because me no see no other eternity, so me have to take it and satisfy.
Okay, so like on a regular day, how much you give us an idea of how much money you would make pushing the hand cards?
Well, a regular day, what I'm making, it will make $1,500 for the day. Yeah, me not tell you no lie. But on a basic good day, we will make $5,000.
And
So,
from that money, what do you buy?
well, from that money, I buy a little flour and little rice. And if I can buy a little mackerel or so, I can buy a piece of chicken out, then I buy.
So you go out there every day?
Every day I go out there.
Every day, so what happened to today now? So like when you not go out there today, what happened?
Well, I come to today not really so fast enough. Yes, so I kind of keep back to the car, you know, so we are going to hear today. So yes, that's the reason.
Okay,
Yeah.
so are you always able to find a meal?
Yeah, I'm able to find a meal at all time. Yes.
Just might not be what you really want, but you
Yes.
find something to eat.
Find something to eat.
So apart from pushing the hand cart, what else you do for a living?
Well, Papa, well, pushing the hand card is just the hand card. May we do, and if a man have a day work, and like if you have one bag to move, may we carrying in load when you reap from the farm, may we carry go put down it, and collect one like a 10 cents.
Okay, so you ever consider working on the farm? Because I realize you live in a farming area.
Yeah. Yeah, I consider myself work on the farm, but
Have you ever done it? Have you ever worked on the farm for somebody?
yeah, me work on the farm. So
Oh, what happened? You don't like it?
well, me work on the pay me, but it's not an everyday thing. So you know, I go work every day.
Or like the work?
Like when you go work, reap crap now, we call me
Oh,
and me get to, so it's not an everyday.
Right, so you don't have that opportunity all the time.
All the time.
Oh, okay.
So financially, me da want to help. That way there when me could go start a little business, ride a little bike and sell a little ice cream and go and save and help myself until me save you know. Me could buy 100 black or 150 or put it 120 and buy piece of land in the future. Me da want to start something.
Okay, you have big plans.
Yes.
So you have a bike currently?
No, I don't have a bike.
So you're asking for help with those things?
Yes.
Also, you can sell ice cream.
Yeah, sell
So why ice cream? Why the ice cream business and not anything else?
Well, the ice cream really fast, you know.
How you know? Have you ever done it?
Well, me see people on the street doing it. So me kind of have it in my dream, say. You know, say me da want to ride and sell like ice cream, you know.
So you can ride bike?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So what if you start the ice cream business and you find that you're struggling, because every business I know starting off they'll start off with a little struggle. So what would you do if it is when you start you find that it's slow?
Alright. When me starting and find out that it's slow, me would buy and sell less ice cream and watch the business how it go on. And if the ice cream not working, we buy and sell some slippers and underpants and
No, okay.
You understand me? That buy and sell some underpants and slippers.
Okay.
Tights and something.
Okay.
Yes.
And is there anything else you try? Because you know you do the hand cart now.
Yeah.
You work on farm sometime.
Yeah.
You have any other experience? Anything else where you did try? Because you said things rough. Is there anything else that you would have tried?
Well, I went on the farmer program.
And what happened?
And what really happened to me, I went up there for 9 months. And 9 months I supposed to spend. And I never spent the 9 months.
How much you spend?
So I spent 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, I did work in the greenhouse and the boss never really like how me perform. So he never keep me. So
You never like how you perform. What was happening? When you say you don't like how you perform, you have to explain so we understand.
When me in the tomato road, I miss the road them.
Oh.
So me na catch the road long, so me miss up the road them. So that really happened to me.
Oh, so you must say you not do the job properly.
Yes.
Also after 2 weeks you were sent back.
Yeah, me they hear back. Bolt on the next flight and they hear back.
Oh. So how you feel about that?
Why I feel bad, you know? But me never stop trying, because I am a determined person to go again.
Yes, so you have tried again?
Yes, I mean not getting through from them, but me not giving up still. Me still keeping push. You never know one of the day when you go get through.
Yeah, so if you go back, if you should you be given the opportunity to go back? You think that you would do a better job?
Yes.
Oh, okay, how so? Why you think so?
Because I learn.
You learn?
My mistake, yeah.
Okay.
So eventually, me that do a better.
You do a better job. Okay. So how long ago was it that you would have gone on the farmer program? Which year?
2019.
2019.
January. Yeah, January.
Okay. So since you come back where did you go?
I did the here.
No. It's Canada you went to?
Yeah, Canada. Yeah.
Alright, me ask you. So you said that you mentioned that they sent you back off the farmer program. Were you paid, even though it's 2 weeks ago?
They send like a little money in your account, but nothing much.
And not much, because that was 2 weeks when they did supposed to spend 9 months.
Yes, so me no make nothing there so.
Yes.
And couple YouTube they give me one couple Canadian dollar, they make up and give me like $110, $150.
So why you think happened why you weren't getting through? Because it's just the tomato plants that you...
Me never getting through at the first process, because I say me is a new man go there, so me have to watch the other man them to catch up with them.
So you were the only person that was new on that farm?
No, other new money was there. But
So what happened why you think the other new persons were, getting it, but you somehow weren't getting it?
Alright, telling you the honestly truth. I never understand how to monitor myself and the greenhouse. Cause I indoor, indoor. So eventually they so me I go try there and me find out say in fact the boss find out say me not understand, so they never keep me.
So what were you doing in the greenhouse?
Alright. What we was doing in the greenhouse, we pruning tomato. And cut one something for plant them in the slab. When they plant, yeah. So
you find that difficult to manipulate at the time?
yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you weren't able to function in that capacity?
In that capacity, yeah.
Okay, so when you came back in 2019 now, what did you do? That's when you started doing the handcart business?
Yeah, with chubbing the chali.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what led you to that? Is it that you used to do it before, or why that and not something else?
Why, me kind of consider it's other way there. Me see one chali and me say me go work, hustle and buy, me hustle and buy and find this. So.
Oh, it's a trolley you use, not a board hand cart.
Yeah, but the hand cart they call the same.
Yeah. I was thinking of the ones that
we make with board.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this house is yours?
No.
Okay. You're paying rent?
No.
Okay.
Keep on care.
Okay.
And the people them there Devon and foreign. Yes.
Oh, so just allow you to stay here and take care of the house?
Yes.
Okay.
No, Wes.
Okay. All right. So tell us, because I heard what you say. So what is it that you really would need now in terms of help? You say a bike because you want to sell ice cream.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Afraid I was.
We don't want that was come there, be like, seriously. All right. So you're asking for assistance.
Yes.
To what? Purchase a bike so you can sell ice cream?
Yes.
Okay. So what else you would need in order to sell ice cream and so on?
Well, I would need a igloo and like a small deep freeze for the ice cream.
Also, you don't have nothing at all?
Yeah, me don't have that.
Okay.
So eventually me don't need that they help me.
Okay, so have you thought of anything that's easier that you would need so much? Because to sell ice cream you would need a bike, you need deep freeze, you need igloo and all of those things, and you need the ice cream, of course. Well, yes. But so is there anything else that's easier, yeah, I'm saying if there's anything else that you would have considered that could be easier, because in selling the ice cream you have to buy a bike. A bike, I don't know the cost, but a bike is costly.
Oh, you would money. And
you never think about any other business ideas?
Yeah, you could have buy one cow and tie in a grass same way too.
But that wouldn't give you an income right away. That's long term.
That's long term. Yeah, so.
Yeah.
But anyway, I love the ice cream anyway.
You love the ice cream business. Ice cream.
I love the ice cream business.
Marcel said you want to eat off the ice cream. Oh my God. All right. So you have anything else that you would want to share with us?
Yes, I would. All right. I would like if you work up buy one nice little bed too. To live comfortably,
Yeah.
Yes, that way there.
So as it is, you're saying you really don't have anything?
Yeah, we don't have anything.
Okay.
All the person that are watching, please, I need a little bike to sell like a ice cream. If it help myself financially that way there, I still would need a little bed to live comfortable and same way. We don't need a little fridge for free, deep freeze, and a little igloo to keep it same way. So please, me need the help. Yes. Okay, if anybody out there would help me, I would appreciate it, and I would glad, thankful, I would be grateful, thankful for it. Yes.
Okay. All right. Alright guys, so you would have heard David's story. So if it is that you are in a position and you want to assist him, you can always reach out to us, to see if we can start him on his little business. So even if it's not that, and you're able to help in any way, any help that is rendered will be greatly appreciated. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. This is where we end the video for today. Thanks for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.